Well, ready to roll out. We had a whole bunch of rain. Everybody good to go? All psyched? All right. We'll get some film of the rollout here. Nice little campground, 100 sites. This is our setup. My little itty bitty trailer works well just for me. And then the big monster over here. Got to go across the Mackinac Bridge, a couple mile bridge. It was interesting enough when we just went over it in the truck and trailer the other day. So we'll see how this fares out with bikes. It could be a nice windy bridge. Everything geared up. Mr. Sammy Lance helped out, and Jimmy helping out, putting on my seat cover that I've been slacking on for about a year now. Got a new chain on. I was a little rough with my chain. Everybody should be good to go, and we're pretty psyched for this ride. I want to stop and record this track on my GPS here. I guess I'll record it in a little bit. Might have a little chilly morning, but this weather's going to be like 70 degrees. I think it's going to be beautiful. So this is the town of Mackinac City. It's a little town at the base of the bridge is before you cross into the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. So we're pretty psyched. I don't know that any one of us have ridden dirt bikes here before, so it's going to be a new experience, but just checking out some YouTube videos of what's around. It looks like some pretty good riding. And state of Michigan, Department of Natural Resources has, or Nature and Recreation, DNR, has a fantastic interactive map. And you can go on that map, and it's got basically all of their state ORV trails mapped out. They said they got about over 4,000 miles of ORV trails, 13,000 mile trail system total when you include horse trails, 4x4, and walking trails and all hiking trails and all that. So seems like no shortage of places to ride here, and I'm eager to do it. This is upstate Michigan, northern Michigan. Here is at a family reunion when I was about 10 years old. Might have been I believe was the first time I ever got myself on a two-stroke motorcycle. Before that, I just rode smaller bikes and mini bikes. And I learned to ride up here. Might have learned to drink up here too. Anyway, we're going to do some road traveling, and I'll pick this bridge up in a second. I think we're right here, so I'll just leave video on. Could be interesting crossing this bridge. Oh! My backpack! Left my backpack. That's not good. Need that.